Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael. In today's video, and it's that time of year, Robinhood finally sent the tax forms this week, so it's time to talk about how to do taxes on Robinhood. And also, for those of you who want a portfolio update, I'll do a quick review of what I'm holding at the end of this video. Okay, so before we get into the video, and if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post a new video every Wednesday and every Saturday, and I would absolutely love to have you as part of the family. Also, if you're interested in seeing random highlights of my life, I'm going to put my Instagram right here. And if you find yourself interested in signing up for Webull and getting 2 free stocks valued up to $1,400, there's a link down below in the description. But without further ado, let's get into the video. What's good? I hope everyone had a happy Valentine's Day. Robinhood was definitely trying to spread the love when they sent out the tax forms this week. So before we get into it, I just wanted to speak briefly to those of you who recently just started trading in the past few months. So I know people make it seem like a big deal doing their taxes. Taxes aren't really anything to worry about. They're actually quite easy to do, and Robinhood actually makes it easy to do. So don't worry, this video is not about to be complicated. There's not even much to do. Let's hop into Robinhood and let's take a look at how to import taxes. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure where it is housed at in this app. I know for me it's been sitting right here a couple days, and it has this announcement: your 2019 forms are now available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click view forms, and then it has all these different forms, and you're going to click the appropriate forms. I'm going to click on the Robinhood securities form, and I clicked on it and I noticed it had a lot of personal information, so I'm not going to show it. But really, it's really simple. When you're doing your taxes, this is my experience. I think there are a few other websites. I just go to turbotax.com and I just start filling it out. It asks me all kinds of questions, and I'm going to sit here and put this in real quick while I'm with y'all. So I'm just going to sit here and put on my smart glasses. And now I'm going to do my taxes. So turbotax.com. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free, and if you already have one, it still has your information from last year. And the good thing about these statements is you don't have to do any complicated math. If you look at net gain or loss, you will see your profits or losses for the year. You just plug the number in from the line or box it says. It really tells you exactly what to do, and you just do it. I'm sorry there's been all this build up for all this time for doing your taxes, but if you get anything from this video and you absolutely don't know what to do, go to TurboTax, make an account, answer the questions. The form you're going to need for your taxes, whenever it asks for a 1099, that is the form you're going to use to do your taxes for the stock market. And after that is done, I don't really know how to do this without showing you all my information, so I'm just not going to show you. But yeah, let's hop into Robinhood and look at my portfolio. Now that I finally finished my taxes, let's take a look at the week. Okay, so as you can see, we are here in the handy dandy Robinhood. We are not in good shape right now. Actually, we're in good shape, but this week has not been kind, and really, it was all just one day. If you watched last week's video, you saw that I was holding Pfizer at the end of the video, and really, it was all Monday, went down. There was never a reversal. I sold out before the day was over, and thankfully I did, because it continued to go down. I didn't grab any puts, and as you can see throughout the week, we did lose some money as the week went on, but really, until yesterday, I wasn't really making any moves. This whole week, I haven't really been able to be in the charts, and aside from a little bit today and yesterday, one of the calls I made yesterday wasn't the smartest, so let's just take a look. Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm holding a SPY iron condor, because right now I'm honestly unsure what the market wants to do. We have all these earnings going on, and the coronavirus is trying to pull things down. Earnings is really fighting hard, but corona is taking its toll on the market, and it's really just being weird. I definitely think the market's going to go down more. The question for me is when. I personally think it's really cool. Not that everyone's dying, but while I am at such a young age that I am able to see history unfold between my eyes and say, I lived through that and I got to trade through that, and that right now as the stock market is reacting through these things, that I was trading during this point in time, and that in the future when it comes, I'll know exactly what to do. But yeah, right now I'm really uncertain about how to go about this. So I have an iron condor. The lower ends are 336 and the upper ends are 339. $44 max profit. My max loss is $46. It expires on Tuesday, and I grabbed this Iron Condor today. I'm up $2 on it. As time expires, if it stays in this range, it should be a quick money grab unless something crazy happens tomorrow. Right now, I'm trying to get back to the level. No more throwing my money all in one thing. These two Nvidia calls, I got these free. If you take a look, these two Nvidias I bought, I have an average cost of $37.50. Then we have these other two Nvidias for $320. I have an average cost of 43 cents. So I sold these and I'm up 54 cents on them. If Nvidia goes up a lot, I could potentially squeeze some more profit out of this position. So I really have nothing to lose, so I'm just gonna let it expire, or if it ends in the money, take profit. I have a $500 max profit on that. I can't take any L's on that, so those are the kind of plays I like to make. I'm only gonna trade on the days that I can actually get in the charts. I have $119 buying power, which is plenty for me to do what I need to do. And let me take a quick look and tell y'all what my goal for next week is. I'm still shooting for the goals that I need to, because if I keep readjusting, I'm never going to get there. But mark my words, by week 52 I will be at $6,500, probably more by that point in time, but I'll be there. But keeping on track with the 20%, which we need way more than 20%. This week we needed to be at 872. Next week we need to be at 1047. Is it impossible? No. Will I need to make some very nice plays? Yes. But one of the good things about next week is there are earnings, and if I play them correctly, I can easily get back in the game. These past 4 weeks of earnings, I haven't really been playing earnings. Because I like to completely leave them alone. Now I'll try to take more time to sit down, pick out strategies, and think, what's the best way for me to take profits off of these earnings? Plenty of strategies I can use. The possibilities are endless. Don't count me out yet. Don't count me out yet. I'm a competitor. I'm still in the game. It's go time. Let's go. I'm not giving up. That being said, I hope you took something from this video. Like if you're someone who's never done your taxes before and don't know how to do your taxes, I hope I gave you the confidence to feel like you can do your taxes on your own now, because it's pretty simple. TurboTax really does all the work for you if that's what you decide to do it through. That's what I think most people do it through. And my portfolio is beat up. So yeah, I'm always going to keep it 100, 1000 with y'all. I think it's really important to document the journey. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like. Also, for some reason, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Join the family, we'd love to have you. And last, but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching, and peace.